Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today, let's learn a complete guide to using English prepositions of place with Tagalog comparison. Let's dive in. Prepositions of place with Tagalog comparison. Short introduction. Prepositions of place tell us where something is. Prepositions of place tell us where something is. In English, we use words like in, on, under, next to. In English, we use words like in, on, under, next to. In Tagalog, we often use sa for place and words like. In Tagalog, we often use sa for place and words like sa loob, inside, sa loob, inside. Sa ibabaw, on top, sa ibabaw, on top. Sa ilalim, under. Sa ilalim, under. Sa tabi, beside. Sa tabi, beside. English is more specific, so we need to learn each one. English is more specific, so we need to learn each one. Example sentences with Tagalog. In, sa loob. In, sa loob. The ball is in the box. The ball is in the box. Nasa loob ng kahon ang bola. Nasa loob ng kahon ang bola. The cat is in the room. The cat is in the room. Nasa loob ng kwarto ang pusa. Nasa loob ng kwarto ang pusa. On, sa ibabaw. On, sa ibabaw. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Nasa ibabaw ng mesa ang libro. Nasa ibabaw ng mesa ang libro. The bag is on the chair. The bag is on the chair. Nasa ibabaw ng upuan ang bag. Nasa ibabaw ng upuan ang bag. Under, sa ilalim. Under, sa ilalim. The dog is under the table. The dog is under the table. Nasa ilalim ng mesa ang aso. Nasa ilalim ng mesa ang aso. Next to, beside, sa tabi. Next to, beside, sa tabi. The girl is next to her mother. The girl is next to her mother. Nasa tabi ng nanay ang bata. Nasa tabi ng nanay ang bata. In front of, sa harap. The car is in front of the school. The car is in front of the school. Nasa harap ng paaralan ang kotse. Nasa harap ng paaralan ang kotse. Behind, sa likod. Behind, sa likod. The boy is behind the tree. The boy is behind the tree. Nasa likod ng puno ang bata. Nasa likod ng puno ang bata. Between, sa pagitan. Between, sa pagitan. The ball is between the boxes. The ball is between the boxes. Nasa pagitan ng mga kahon ang bola. Nasa pagitan ng mga kahon ang bola. Dialogue practice. Dialogue 1. At home. At home. Mom, where is your bag? Where is your bag? Child, it's on the chair. It's on the chair. Mom, where are your shoes? Where are your shoes? They are under the table. They are under the table. Dialogue 2 in the classroom. Teacher, where is the book? Where is the book? Student, it's in the bag. It's in the bag. Teacher, where is Anna? Where is Anna? Student, she is next to Ben. She is next to Ben. Dialogue 3 outside. Outside. Friend 1, where is the dog? Where is the dog? Friend 2, it's behind the tree. It's behind the tree. Friend 1, oh, I see it. Oh, I see it. Quiz time. 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. The cat is blank the box. A on, B in, C under. Answer is letter B. The cat is in the box. Number 2. The ball is blank the table. A under, B on, C in. Answer is letter A. The ball is under the table. Number 3. The boy is blank the tree. A behind, B in, C on. Answer is letter A. The boy is behind the tree. Number 2. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The book is blank the table. Answer is the book is on the table. Number 2. The dog is blank the chair. Answer is the dog is under the chair. Number 3. The ball is blank the box. Answer is the ball is in the box. Number 3. Match English to Tagalog. English, Tagalog, so English, under, sa ilalim, on, sa ibabaw, next to, sa tabi. Number 4, speaking practice. Ask students, where is your bag? Where is your bag? Where is your book? Where is your book? Students answer, it's in, on, under the blank, or it's in, on, under the bed. Fun tip for kids. Use real objects in class. Put a book on the table. Put a book on the table. Put a pen under the chair. Put a pen under the chair. Let kids move things and say the sentence. Let kids move things and say the sentence. So, there you go guys. This video ends here about complete guide to using English prepositions of place with Tagalog comparison. Thanks for watching.